Oceanside, here we come.
Yeah, the problem is though, it's
There's
due
always
east.
a problem.
It's due east. We're not going south yet. Still
Not
in the
gonna
fog
be any
and the cold.
warmer.
It's not going to be any warmer.
That's all right. We're getting there. Whoa, they're jumping! Hi guys. There you are. You gonna come out? No? Yeah.
Going right around this rock wall. That was so cool, like right here. So we got into Oceanside last night. It was a little late. Woke up this morning and there's a bunch of people painting on the sidewalk. They're painting pictures of the marina and whatever. And we walked by and this lady is painting a picture of our boat, which I think is pretty cool.
I think it's awesome. We're
way
gonna go
cool.
check it out.
Yeah, we're gonna go talk to the lady and see what this is about.
Awesome. Are you here often?
Yeah.
Painting?
I just moved.
Just moved?
Yeah, I moved to here.
Oh, wonderful.
Well, that's so cool. You're painting our boat.
Love it. I love it. Thank you so much for sharing.
That's so cool. And then this guy is also painting your boat.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I love it.
This is Robert, right?
Yep. Done a little painting here of Sam's boat, which, by the way, is beautiful. The color caught my eye right away. It's just a color study.
So we talked to those guys for a little bit and got a little bit more of their story. It's super nice. They're both very nice. So Robert's a graphic designer. He paints and photographies for a hobby, and he's very shy but very polite and kind. And then Lee is originally from Vietnam. She, going back generations and generations, her fascination with boats is the stories she heard from her family of her great-grandfather who had a large fleet of boats that would travel between Vietnam and China, building schools and helping out. Really fun to just sit and chat with them for a little bit and enjoy their company. And I brought Lee on the boat. She wanted to be by the helm and get pictures taken, and it was a really fun moment, and this is why we do what we do. Just like swimming away. More energy than me.
Never been in the water.
You don't get good deal of it. Wasn't as big as I thought it was gonna be. That's what she said. I guess.
Wow. Apparently we spend too much time alone on the boat, and Jessica doesn't know how to be a normal human being around people.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's terrible.
It's been a minute.
What's your favorite thing about any marina?
It sure is. Checking out the bathrooms. Let's go see what our shower looks like. Check it out. Oh my gosh. I think it's just been redone. Do we get to adjust the water temperature? Yes! Many a lovely showers are going to be done here. You even have a little nook for your soap. I am so pleased. I'm so excited. So, a lot of people asked us how we were gonna bathe while we're out here. And we have many ways. But when you get something like that, it's like, what do you wanna say? Luxury.
Well, it's nice. Oceanside does their bathrooms right. Like,
Yes.
freshly remodeled, unlimited hot water,
Adjustable?
adjustable hot water. You don't have to pay extra. There's no time limit. It's not so bad. Doesn't take much to please Jessica.
No. That is some cold ass water. There he is, doing his workout for the day. People pay good money to do this at a gym. What'd you get?
Pain. My arms hurt, my traps hurt. I'm just gonna sit.
You look really old.
Thanks.
Huffing and puffing like that.
So it is Saturday night, which is our last night here in Oceanside. Sea lion just jumped up on the dock next to us. What a
posing.
surprise.
Get a
Now he's
picture of
posing.
him.
I don't know if you
He's
guys can see. Where is he? Well, I don't know if I got him.
Hi.
Anyways.
Hey.
Quiet, dude.
Yeah.
Are you done? I'm trying to make a video. So we're sitting here in the cockpit of our boat in Oceanside, California. It is our last night here. It's a beautiful night. It's very peaceful out. The sun is about to set. We're eating some tacos that Jessica so lovingly made for dinner. And we're gonna just sit here for the rest of the evening, have some drinks, maybe drink some wine. And later on tonight, there is a Christmas light sailboat, motorboat,
Parade.
paddleboard parade. And I can't think of a better way to spend our last evening here.
No, I'm excited. It's gonna be fun.
It's going to be a good night.
into San Diego Bay. There's our captain. So happy that it's somewhat warm outside. We got passed by a warship, Warship 20. He's way up there. We have another, what, hour and a half before we make it to our friend's house. It's pretty. The SS Midway from the water, the museum that's here, aircraft carrier. We've visited that on land before, which is really cool.